Hi all, welcome to a new session of JS Networks. Today we are going to learn how to form a drop-down list in Excel. Okay, in many cases we have to use that facility, but many of us do not know how to do that. It is very simple. So let us see the example. First, let me show you how to create a short drop-down list. Okay, so this is the range where I need that list. Here the list is very short, so manually I am going to give that, preparing the list. Okay, so let us see. So select the portion where you need that list, that drop down list. Okay, so first you select it, then go to data validation. Here data validation, and here in the settings you have to choose list. Okay, list. Then source, it is asking the source of the data. Here you are going to give a small list. Okay, so let me type over here. I am giving the list as suppose A comma B comma C comma D. This is my list. Okay, a small list I am going to give. So I have given A, B, C and D. Okay, see. Now come here, see this, a drop down menu. Okay, click on that drop down, A, B, C, D, which you need, select it. See, A, D, B, C. So this is very simple because a small set of data you need. But in many cases, you have to go through a long list. Suppose department names or whatever. Suppose you want to work with a long list and you are going to create the drop down list over here. So select the range where you need the list. Again go to data validation, settings, any value, list. Now see here, source, it is asking source where you have type that data or where you have mentioned the data. Okay, it can be another Excel sheet and another workbook, whatever it may be, just you have to bring that source to this location. So click on this up arrow. Okay, now here I have given the list in sheet 2. Select sheet 2. See, this is the list. Okay, I have selected it and then give this down arrow. See, the range came over here. Now go for down arrow. Okay. Okay, now see here the list has been appeared. See, engineering, sales, contracts, HR, whatever you need, you can select from this, logistics. Okay, here you will not get it because this you have not selected before going for selecting the range. Okay, so that is why in the only the selected region you will get the drop down list. So this is very simple. And one more thing you have to notice is that you have given the data in sheet 2 and this data should be always protected. Okay, that is why you are giving the data elsewhere, that is either in this somewhere in this empty portion, wherever you need, in some empty portion. Okay, here you can give the data, you can go to another sheet and you can give the data, and you can go for another workbook and from there you can select the data, because once you have changed the data, suppose I'll show you sheet 2 and I have deleted this sales, HR and contracts. I have deleted. Okay, by mistake it happened. Now come over here, see the list, it is not there. Now see, a blank space is there. Okay, so that is why you have to protect it. So I am undoing it. So this is a way how to go through drop down list or how to prepare drop down list in Excel. So only thing is that you have to keep the data safe. Okay, that is why we are creating it somewhere else so that no one will make any manipulations over there. It can be in the same workbook, same sheet, other sheet, or other workbook, wherever. Based on your wish, you can store the data. Okay, see how simple is this drop down list, and this is very useful. Try this. Okay, hope it was clear for you. Thank you.